Hello everyone, this is Gurmeet Singh from Quality Engineers. Today we have our split air conditioning test rig and I will perform an experiment on this test rig. Here we can see that there is two units. One is indoor unit of split AC and one is outdoor unit. Here is the control panel on which different displays are given there, like here is temperature indicator display, here it is voltmeter display, ampere meter display, and channel switch. We have 5 different temperature sensors, so we have 5 switches for that. And here is the main switch button, here is the compressor button, and here is the indicator. First, when we have to perform the experiment, we have to give the power supply to the apparatus, and there will be a red indicator will be shown. So when the red indicator is shown, we will switch on the main button, and then we will switch on the compressor. We will perform experiment at 3 different temperature, like here I have set 24 degrees Celsius temperature to the AC, and I will note down the corresponding values to that temperature. So now the values of 5 different temperature sensors are T1 is 32.6, T2 for 42.6, T3 34.43, and like that we will note down the T4 and T5. To the corresponding, we will also note down the voltmeter reading and ampere meter reading. Here are the pressure gauge and the discharge gauge, from which we note down the corresponding values. So at first I have set the temperature at 24 degrees Celsius, and I will note down the initial values. Now after 10 minutes I will note down the different values according to that. The values will be different because the time interval have 10 minutes, so it will show the different temperatures. And now the experiment is performed at 24 degrees Celsius. Now I will set the temperature at 20 degrees Celsius. The procedure will be the same, but the temperature of the AC is different. So I will note down the initial values of the temperature, voltmeter and ampere meter, also the pressure from the suction gauge and the discharge gauge. After 10 minutes I will note down the different values like the previous one, which I have performed at 24 degrees Celsius. When this experiment is performed at 20 degrees Celsius, we will again set the temperature at 16 degrees Celsius. So the same procedure will be carried out at 16 degrees Celsius. I will note down the initial temperature values, voltmeter readings, ampere meter readings, and the pressure readings from the suction gauge and the discharge gauge. When noting down that values, I will note down the values after 10 minutes. One thing is to remember that we have to perform 3 readings at same temperature of the AC. Like when I have performed at 24 degrees Celsius, I note down 3 readings. Same I will note down 3 readings at 10 minutes of interval at 20 degrees Celsius, and same at 16 degrees Celsius. When I got the values, I will calculate my COP from the formula. by putting the values which I have noted down. So this is our split air conditioning test rig. Thank you.